Hey boos, welcome back. Today we're going to be cleaning my house. Now I just moved and I am out of breath. And I have not did a house tour. I should have done an empty house tour, but I forgot. It was so hectic. So we're going to clean my home. This is not a house tour. I'm gonna try not to give you a house tour. But if you see it, you see it. I don't really have a lot of everything I want to get yet. I still need more pictures and all these things. So I'm going to show you the cleaning supplies I'll be using really quick. These Swiffer things, it's a gang scent. They smell so amazing. The little Swiffer, I got the cheap one because I'm cheap. I got some Gain trash bags. I also have this little vacuum from Walmart. It was like $20-something. It converts into a handheld and all these different kinds. So this is embarrassing. Do not judge me. And I'll be using this right here in the Unstoppable scent. It's amazing. So do not judge me. I'm begging you. I'm going to show you the state of my room, my pantry, my kitchen, everything. So we're going to start with my bedroom. I'm going to show you. Do not judge me. I was sitting here again stuck in all the trash. This is my nasty room. Bed disgusting, table disgusting. His side is really clean. Disgusting. Disgusting. In my closet, we don't even want to talk about her. It's just nasty. A little better. I'm going to start with my bed. Let's do that. This heavy ass comforter is from Target a long time ago. I have so many stains because I eat on my bed. So do not freaking judge me. I just got these new sheets from a little local kind of store like Ross. But I'm going to go ahead and do this. I made sure they're in the middle and then I give them a chop. And voila. And then to top it off, I fold my little Juicy Couture blanket. Oh, I'm so out of breath. And she's so cute and cherry. And I'll just throw her on the bed like so. Now for this little shelf thing, I need to take this candy back to the kitchen. I have a little candle right here. It smells so good. It's Snickerdoodle. And I'm going to throw the rest in the trash. These are the little extra sheets that come with my sheet. But I'm never going to use them, so I'll put them in the trash. We just have this little pumpkin spice room spray. Smells so good. My candle in the corner. I'm going to wipe her down. She's clean. Clothes will literally be put up in a snap. So all these clothes, I'm going to put them in the dirty clothes basket, take them downstairs and wash. We're going to get to the closet in another separate video because I am not doing my closet today. I'll probably do it tomorrow. I just washed my clothes and now literally they're all back dirty. But see how these are not really dirty. They're dirty from being with dirty clothes because when I get ready for work, I change a million times. So I gotta wash them all. So literally with my vanity, I'm going to do a snap because this is gonna take me a minute to do. So I'm going to, and she's clean. My desk is so dirty, y'all. I have to buy another one. But when I buy another one, I'll be having a beauty room by then. So I'm not going to buy one until I get my beauty room. So now she's clean and nice. Onto the bathroom. Now, here is the dirty, nasty bathroom. Floor is dirty. Everything else is clean. You need to take the trash out. But yeah. Let's clean her up. First things first, I'm going to vacuum the floor because I don't want to sweep because all this hair. So I think it's best for me to just vacuum the floor. And then if I need to, I'll use this little attachment so that way all the hair comes up in all the corners. For this part of the counter, this is my dog's food scoop. Don't know why it's in here. So this is like my skincare. Here's like this skincare and all this right here. I have to film a TikTok for this brand, these few products. So I'm just gonna push them up against the wall. These products are so good. No, it's not sponsored on YouTube, but for TikTok it is. Definitely go check it out. I think they're at Walgreens. All the hair things go in somewhere else. This is my Moon teeth whitening kit. I'm gonna put my scrunchie, just throw it back there. My spin brush for when I wash my face. My tools. A headband. This is a brown one to the black one I have on. I'm just gonna set it right there. I'm not supposed to be cleaning, but this is also came with this collection. It's a cute little giraffe headband. I'm gonna set it on here because I do have to film a video for it. So that'll just remind me to get that filmed and out of the way. Bro. So there's this side. Now moving on to the freaking breast. I'm gonna put my brush up. I'm gonna put this back where it belongs. Plug Alexa back up. And I'm going to just wrap the cord around her and sit her there. If y'all know a good way I can put this, let me know. Because it gets on my nerves with the cord being on the counter. So I'm going to wipe the entire counter down with the best shit again. Including this nasty ass sink. I currently use like Nair, and the Nair, I kind of made up like a really big mess with it. Not even kind of, I did make a huge mess with the Nair. All this hair on this counter, so disgusting. I'm even gonna spray this like inside the sink to kind of clean it. I can literally still smell the Nair. And then to get this rest out, I'm just going to splash water. And then the rest, I'm just gonna wipe it out with a towel. Now she is nice and clean. Now I'm going to use this right here and Swiffer the floor. And literally, so gross. Now we're going to move on to my kitchen. My fiance's in the living room watching football. So I think I'm going to do my living room in another video when I'm like styling it. But I'm going to do my kitchen and my pantry, and then that will be literally all. Now I'm going to wash my clothes. So this is the state of my counter right now. Not too bad. I think we already unloaded the dishwasher. Yeah. So I'm going to load it back up, start that later. And pretty much all this just needs to be wiped down. Now to clean my sink, I'm just going to literally use some dish soap. Remove everything and scrub it all down. gonna set these pans back and I'm going to wash them later. It's pretty clean. This is pretty clean. I need to buy some more to go in here. I'm going to get a coffee pot and make this my little coffee bar station. This is vinegar, but it's oil. And then we have like things in the cabinet, but we're not gonna organize that yet. Here's like my alcohol drinks. And this is where I'm gonna put all my coffee stuff and alcohol stuff. And then we have the little utensils and the cute little salt and pepper. Here's the pantry. I'm going to organize it shelf by shelf. And then that's just gonna stay until I get some little bins down there. I'm gonna do a little snap and the whole pantry is gonna be done. And we organized, period. That's all for today's video. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, let me know. And until next time, love you guys.